Of course, before we continue with our vlog, so my sincerity thanks to Ricky Martinini for all the support to me and showing the beautiful places here in Hong Kong that we've never been. So, yeah, enjoy watching, guys. Monastery. PSC Shan Monastery. Just only outside. Kapag pinunta mo talaga itong TSC Monastery, sa station, meron silang special bus na magdadala sa iyo sa loob mismo. So, parang tour guide. So, napakaganda rin naman kasi talagang wala namang bayad na yon. So, yun lang, pipila ka doon sa labas ng stations para makarating dito. TSC Monastery.
係咪要 booking 㗎？係啊。哦 ，online booking 嘅。係啊。哦，OK OK，咁啊，下次先啦。係啦，好啊，咗先啦。入邊可唔可以調啊？得，回轉去調頭落翻嚟啦。好，唔該晒。咁啊，最上面啦。好好。調頭。要 booking 啊，快啲！有 Buddha。
Already here, there's the Buddha there. This place is a great and very calm, guys. And if you want to visit here, talagang kailangan mong magpa-reserve at magpa-book. And you can travel easily sa bus din or taxi pagka nakarating na kayo dito sa Tai Po. At before nakarating na rin ako dito and I had great moments sa museum at saka maraming memory and know about Buddhism dito sa TSC Buddhist Monastery. So, very calm lang at yan nga guys, wala kaming booking kaya kailangan na namin umalis. So, after that nga, nakarating kami doon sa boundary ng TSC. So, dadalhin naman niya ako sa Egg Creek dito sa isang magandang tanawin din dito sa Tai Po. So, first discovery and yeah, I'm so excited to see it kasi maganda rin daw ito. Wow, look at the trees! Oh my God! Probinsya na ito talaga. How did you know this place? You always came here?
First time.
Oh, thank you so much. How did you know? Oh. Just like this?
Yeah.
Say that. Yeah. Your privacy. Wow, look at that house. Oh, it's a big house here. This is what you're talking about, ghost? Huh? What do you call this? Brighter. Oh, look at this car. Wow. This is really nice here. So, napakaganda ng lugar dito guys, sa Tai Po. Mayroon palang area dito na makikita.
close. Cannot see. Ah. Where's the monkey? Okay. Okay. Ang ganda dito, oh. Pag pumunta ka rin dito, need mo magpa-booking. Ayan. So, yan lang yung makikita natin dito, guys. Ang ganda. So, hanggang doon yun, no? Paikot lang, walking. Paikot lang. Tapos yung restaurant. Passing place.
First time ko dito sa Lake Creek, dito mismo sa Tai Po. So, surrounded by beautiful and stunning views. Nakitang-kita mo naman the flowers and everything that I can find is outside. Pero sarado lang because occupying siya ng mga one of the sponsor or may kinakasal sa loob. Kaya they close at you cannot get inside for a while. Although it's worth a quick look and a bit difficult to get without reservations or entering. But anyway, the shuttle bus is possible for market stations at malayo ito para hanapin. So some of them, they are taking taxi or car. Yeah. And hourly only na nag-stay kami dito. At syempre, hindi nga tayo pwede makapasok. But as you can see that, guys, this is so very lovely and beautiful. The gardens here, a lots of beautiful flowers. Beautiful. I love the scenery, the magical ambience, especially here. Yung mag-moments ka, kuha ka ng pictures at mag-emot-emot ba. Somewhere, thank you so much sa aking Ricky Martinini na all the time. It's always there for me to, you know, para lang dalhin sa mga lugar na hindi pa natin nararating. And this is quite beautiful. Beautiful talaga. Stunning. And I can't forget this memory na alam kong this is the first and the last na makarating ako dito. That is what I know. Kasi nga, minsan na natin narating. So, it depends of the situation na lang kung talagang makakaya pa nating puntahan. So, nothing special here kasi nga yung restaurant there is only for yung reservations, parang receptions nila. So, only this here in outside na makikita. So, yan lang. At talaga namang super ganda. Ang attractive lang dito is tong beautiful garden dito sa labas. At ang yung nature niya. Very, very beautiful talaga. So, I enjoy it so much. At yeah. Alexander Wun University. My sweetie honey pie. My sweetie honey pie university. Chinese University in Hong Kong. So are you going this year? Oh, congratulations! Chongqi Road. So, napakalaki ng university na to. Chinese University. From university also, Yao Secondary. Just only university. So,
This is only the lower part.
The lower part. Ang ganda ng ano nila, oh, very clean.
Also, yeah.
So where is my Alex University?
I don't know. Every time I get lost here.
The father lost. This is Alex University, guys. Sobrang mahal. Ayan, Elizabeth Rosemore University Library. Ah, seems like wow, your lagoon here. And look at the canteen. Ah, and before we have the photo shoot here.
Oh, really?
Japanese University.
Chinese University.
Yeah. We have the photo shoot here with before photography, and we are going here. This Japanese University. Yan. Dyan we have photo shoot. Yasumoto International Academy Park. Yan, meron.
This is the lower part, the upper part of the mountain. Side up.
Yan na, galing na kami sa school. See, oh, there, it is a medical center, also university.
Yeah.
Ah.
And this one, the word here.
What is the word? Chochi Road?
Must be kind.
Must be kind. The meaning? Must be kind. Welcome back. Oh, let me see. Ah, the building.
I live in here.
Ay, how many houses you live already? Huh? Jeez.